Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tifara World. Today we'll be learning how to make a braided headband. But if today is your first time of stumbling on or just seeing our channel, what we do is we make different designs of headwears, like turbans, like fascinators, hats, and rest. So if it's something you would love to learn, then please hit that subscribe, and then anytime we upload, you'll be notified. Don't mind all my ramblings. Let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm going to start with introducing the material. So what we're going to be, we need your scissors, you need your safety pin. You get to know what you're going to use that for as we continue with the tutorial. Then your measuring tape, and then here I have cut out my fabrics, so the fabrics for the tutorial. And then you'll be needing foam. This is a braided headband, so you will need three cut out foams. I will tell us the measurement as we go on, so let's quickly go right into it. So first of all, I have my materials. You need materials cut out in three places. These are my cut out materials in three places. The edge is free, but I don't really mind those edges because we are going to sew them inside so it will not be seen. So the measurement for my materials, let's measure is one, and everything is the same. So I'm having here, please, this one is not up to 4 inches, but you should have 4 inches. 4 inches. So 4 inches by by at the least. Here I have 38, but you can also make do with 36. Cut that out for all the three strips that I have here. So let's put that aside. Then we call this the loop. So, and this loop, you'll see what we're going to use it for later. This one measures 7 inches by 5 inches. 7 inches by 5 inches. This one's a little bit above 5, but 7 inches by 5 inches is good for you. And then I have also cut out here my foams. And then for the foams, I have 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches by 31 inches. So now what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to take my fabric to the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to right side inside. I'll fold the right side inside like this, like so. I hope you can see it. And I will sew from one end to the other end. Right side inside, please. And then from one end I sew down to the other end for all three, for all the three, all the three strips. The same thing I will do for my loop. We call it a loop. So I'll fold it on the width, and then I will sew it also down from one end to the other, and then I'll get back to us. Okay, so I'm back. I've taken the liberty to turn this one, the first two, inside out. This is the last one. I just want to show you on camera, and then I've done my loop also. I've sewn it, so I'll just turn that one inside out like this. So this is it. And then we have this, so we'll set that aside with this one. Then I'll pick this, then I'll turn it inside. The embellishment I put inside. I'll tell us about the embellishment another time. So we have one, we have two, then we have three. So one, two, three, and then with the loop. So now we take our foam and then we insert inside. So let me just take one and then I'll show us. When I want to insert my foam, I use my safety pin. Just fold it up a little bit like this at the top, and then you can also use there's something they call fiber. You can also use fiber instead of the foam. I don't have the fiber right now, so this is what I have that I'm making use of right now. Okay, so you can see I'm done with two. I just want us to quickly see, because when you are using a foam, you have to be extra careful. So I just want us to quickly see how I'm doing it. You can see you are pulling gently. This may take a little bit of time, no, but you have to be careful because foam can easily, you know, cut off. So step by step like that, you'll be pulling it down. You can see the way I'm pulling it down. Then, you can see what I'm doing. Just try and pull it, you know, gently down like that, gently. Pulling the fabric, not the foam. Because if you will pull the foam, you know foam, it will just cut. Everything will just cut off. So you are pulling the fabric, not the foam. You can see. Then you pull down, come here, and then you pull it down. Being very careful, please. Very, very careful. Please ensure that this place where we sewed, and you see the line where we sewed is at the center. It should not be at the edge of the foam. It should be at the back, not the front, at the back, but at the center, at the back. So it will be hidden by the time you are braiding it, then it will be hidden. Nobody needs to see all our, whatever work showing. When you are doing your work, you should ensure that it is very neat. You can see, so I'm trying to align it and bring it to the center. All my, you know, pushing in the foam has decentralized it, so I'm trying to centralize it. Okay, so this is it. One, two. Let's put this at that side. Two, three. So you can see the back, that where I sewed it is at the back, at the center of, for the three, it's at the center. You can see for the three, it's at the center. So now I'm going to braid it. You can get, when it comes to braiding it, you can get somebody to hold it for you to braid it. So I'm going to, you can see the way I've put the three ends together like this, ensuring the back, you understand, is facing down. So I'm going to put it down like that, and I'm just going to sew it all together like this. that done, put our needle and thread aside and the scissors. So you can get somebody to hold it for you. You can see what I'm doing. Let it be too tight. Put it together. As you can see, put all them out together and then I'll sew it. Can you see? It's already formed our headband. And see how beautiful this is. This is so nice. So I will hold these ends together like I did the other side. Just can use your sewing machine to sew it, but I'm not using my sewing machine. You can use your hand, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you sew well. You sew it firmly. Okay, so I'm back. I've already, sewn the two ends together. I've attached the two ends together. So now we're going to put our loop. So, I've shown you the loop before. I've sewn it. Now you turn it inside. The sewn part should be on the inside like this. You should put your sewn part, turn it, you know, inside like this, and then the smooth side should be outside. You want your work to be neat. So we're going to attach this. We're going to use this, our loop. That is what it's for, to cover up our rough work here. So we'll do it like this. Please take note, I'm turning this wrong side here, the sewn part. I'm turning it out. You will see by the time I'm done, you will see how I'm going to turn it. So this side should be outside like this, and then you take it to your sewing machine, or you take your needle and thread, and then you sew from one end to the other like so. You sew it from one end like this to the other end, straight down. Okay, so let me quickly go and do that, and then I'll come and show us the next step to take. And then so you sew from here straight down, from here straight down. Then I'll come back and show us what to do. So I'm back. This is it. You can see my loop is already sewn. You can see it's sewn. So I've sewn my loop. So I'm going to cut off the extra at the end. So this is what we're going to do. I was telling you about the sewn parts that we turned. What we're going to do now is we're going to now turn this inside out. You can see what I'm doing now. So you turn this inside out, like, take your time. And so we are done. We are so done. Okay, so you can see we are done. We are very done. You can see how it is. Can you see our work? You can see our work. Can you see? You can see. Can you see? Can you see? So we are done with the loop too. You can see the loop. So to make sure that the loop is not going up and down, what we will do is we'll just put a little bit of glue. This is our glue gun. You can see, buy this in any maybe tailor's shop or anywhere, or even at the ShopRite, or anywhere. It's called a glue gun. So I've plugged it. It's hot, so just put a little bit of it, like that, and then you pull it down like so. So it will hold it down from shifting all over the place. So you can see, just a little bit like that, just a little bit like that, and then you pull make it neat, so nobody will see your this thing. You You can see, so this prevents it from moving up and down. Can you see? It's so neat. Then you can come inside too, just put a little bit inside too, just a little bit like that, then pull your, then you hold it down like that for it to hold, come to the other side, and then just little bit like that, just to hold it down. That's all you are doing. Good. Don't want to soil your work. Okay, so press it down, then hold, press down and hold, and then we are done. This is so beautiful. Let's put it on our doll head and see how it is. So this is it on our doll head. Let's see. Can you see? This is so beautiful. Can you see? This is it. So you can wear it, rock it anyhow. Center, side, wrong, right side, left side, anyhow. And put it at the back, like so. Let me see. You understand? Then you are good to go. This is beautiful. So we are done with today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.